thing we want to do is take the air cleaner off. So there was a bolt here. There's a bolt here. Take those off. Take this bolt off. Loosen this one. And boom. Of course, you take this off. Disconnect it. Disconnect it. And then this thing wants to stay on. So we're going to get that off with a screwdriver. Screwdriver. Oh, that's not a screwdriver. Well, it pops off. Take this off. Okay. All right. Then you want to take these connectors off of the ignition coil. Okay. And then these are tins. Set those over there. I always put these coils back on the same way they came off. Tabs off. Okay. And then take this bolt off. Hold that on. And don't take them all the way off first. Just barely. I'm gonna take these off. Just loosen them a little bit at first until they're all loose. Then you can take them off. Now we can zip them all off. Again, remember where they go. So, in case they're different sizes, but I'm pretty sure these are all the same size on the outside, and then the ones in the middle are a little longer. But we'll just make sure. So far, so good. Alright, now let's make sure everything's loose as a goose. Loose as a goose. And then what we'll do is we'll take the screwdriver, kind of wedge it in somewhere to pop this loose. Just like that. Okay. All right. That's that. So next thing you want to do is clean off this mating surface here with brake cleaner and a razor. Take off all the old gasket material. See that gasket material there? You want to get all that off, scrape it off, and put in, take this old gasket off. Old gasket here, the seals here, take those off, take these off. And so I'm gonna go ahead and scrape it and clean it, and then I'll be back.